To use your own video as your call background on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting, tap Call Background. Next, tap the background icon at the bottom of the screen. Under Gallery section, select the desired video from your gallery that you want to use as the call background. As a note, if the length of the video is more than 15 seconds, you will be asked to trim the video so you can select the desired part of the video as call background. Else, your phone will use the first 15 seconds of the video. If needed, you can use the sound of the video as ringtone. To do so, tap the gray on offset next to use video sound as ringtone until the switch on screen to turn it on. And then tap Set as Call Background to apply your selection. By doing this, when you make or receive calls, the selected part of the video will be shown as the call background. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.